Hey guys, I got a Toolbox tour coming for you. It's a semi-retirement one because it will be replaced pretty soon. The Toolbox is something that I have had since, close to when I started in the industry. I started when I was 15 and a half years old apprenticing. Then I went to a Tires Plus, and that's where I got my first Toolbox. And then I replaced that with one I bought used from a coworker, which is what you'll see as the top middle box. It used to be blue. Now it's black with red on it. And then I have I paid $50 for that, and then I have my mid box that I paid $50. It's a Harbor Freight mid box. The bottom one underneath it, a brown one, I got for free from my old boss that I apprenticed with. And then the two side cabinet, or the one side cabinet and one side locker, I got on sale from Harbor Freight, about $150 a piece. Yeah, I believe it was $150 a piece. They're both the Gen 1s. They're both going to be replaced with the Toolbox you see back here, KR7100 and a side cabinet, a KRL711, and hope you guys enjoy it. It's a quick video. If you like it, please thumbs up, and I'll actually do a more in-depth one. Thank you.
This is kind of a retirement toolbox tour. Toolbox is overflowing, and I do have a replacement. Have one for a while. Here's the Varus I got. Won't fit in any of my drawers. Here's a hot stapler. If you don't have one, you guys need to get one. If you don't know what one is, go look it up. The creeper, tie rod, inner tie rod tool, coolant tester, puller, knee mat, where my gun sits when it's not locked up. Stapler, believe it or not, I use it a lot. Ear stuff, replacement and broken sockets. Things I use moderately often, keep quick access to. Lights. These are awesome. They're Carlisle. For drunk drivers, we get them a lot. When you get gunk in your eyes. Personal drawer. Usually there's a wallet there too. There's usually a bit holder, specific one there. And there's a precision screwdriver Tecton one that sits there. These have teeth in them. Power belts. Kind of like the precision torque. 32 millimeter. My often used bits and things throughout the day, lug nut sockets, extensions, sockets that I use quite often but are not lug nut besides that one, my 1/2 inch. There's usually a hub cleaner, my electrical and drawer for the most part, and some other things. My oil drawer, lug nut cap pullers, bleeders, flip socket, half-size sockets, lug stud pins for oil filters, stud installer. Sorry about the weird angles. This I made, I had to bend, comes in handy. Borescope, impact screwdriver, some of my other electrical stuff, testing, quick OBD2 scanner. My other sockets, these are pretty much all 3/8 and 1/2, 5-point, Torx Plus, Torx. Come in handy when you have to move them around. My other impact sockets, metric, SAE, metric. They're marked for easy access. I love this. Drill bits. There's a Mighty Vac tucked back in there. Usually this is a Dr. Pepper. My other Carlisle's that I don't use often. Spare one because those break. Auto punches. Two-channel scope meter. There's usually an amp clamp right here and some other pieces for these, but they're not there right now, they're at home. Adapters. Back pressure tester. Stuck outer tie rods. We'll go up there. My other scanner, an Altel. Clip puller, it's a nice set. Back there, there's a case for Shade 5 safety glasses. Helicoils. These aren't marked yet. There's a compression tester in one, a vacuum gauge in the other, I think a transmission tester, or an oil pressure tester and compression tester. Quick reference guides, training manuals. It's, you know the drill. These are where I store my impacts that you see out there when everything's locked up. On the side of my gun, my bit driver, quick access. I made these, and these were not welded together at first, but I eventually did weld them. They're pretty solid. That's my quick toolbox tour. If you guys want more in depth about the tools, let me know, and I'll get that for you. I hope you guys enjoy it.